Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Oh,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm very good. Uh, in fact, I'm not looking good, but yes, I am. Good afternoon. Anyways,
Good afternoon. Ma'am, today what we are gonna do?
uh, have we started with our multimedia chapter in the last class?
Ma'am, we were doing uh sheets, spreadsheet.
Spreadsheets. Okay. So you didn't done with Ria ma'am about MS Excel? Did you
Good
did?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aman. Have you
Good
done?
morning,
Good morning.
ma'am.
Have you done?
Sorry, I'm late because
Morning, ma'am.
my internet had gone.
No problem. No problem. Uh,
Ma'am, sorry I joined a bit late. My phone is having touch screen issues, so I have to restart it a lot.
no problem, Mariam. And still, we didn't reach the time. The class is about to start at 12. I just logged in earlier. So relax, no problem. Take your time. You can wait for 2-3 minutes also, no problem with that. I was discussing that have we done with the MS Excel, right? Right? You people did MS Excel with Ria ma'am, right?
No,
MS?
we didn't.
No. We have done PowerPoint.
We have done PowerPoint. Newton has done Excel sheets with.
Okay, I
Excel.
इतना सब रहता है mess हो जाता है. Anyways, so we were doing spreadsheets, right? Google spreadsheets.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we will do that, and after that, there was one more thing about slides. The PowerPoint you did with the Ria ma'am in MS PowerPoint presentations, we will do the same thing with the help of Google app. And whatever we are learning in Google Sheets, the same thing can be done with MS Excel. Okay, the difference between two is MS Excel is Microsoft company has created MS Excel, and Google the company has created spreadsheets. The why Google has created this spreadsheet, although there was MS Office available in the market, one thing to compete obviously, and secondly it gives us more enhanced feature since now the world is working with online basis and we have the Google account, everyone is having Gmail account with them, and now you can access your Gmail account and you can use what Google do as soon as you create an account now, Google gives you a space in Google server, in the Google's memory, and in that space you will be having few sheets in your drive. You have some PowerPoint presentations, they give you the place to keep your documents over there. So now you can easily access your documents in any device. If you are working with MS Excel, you have to be dependent on a particular device, everything will be stored in that particular device, but now the content is going to stored with associated with your email account, so you can open your email account in any device and you can access your data in any device. One thing. Secondly, since everything is connected with the help of the internet, so you can give access to another people. That is why what happened, whenever we share a link, so you would be able to join with the help of that link. So now you can access your sheet to other people with the help of that link, and other people can also able to edit your data. So now let's go ahead with that. For this, what we are going to do, just a second, let me share a screen with you all, and here we are. So how we are going to open Google Spreadsheets. So for that, go to Google tab, open up the Google Chrome in your device, any of your device. If you are using mobile phones, then you have to download Google Sheet from Play Stores. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to access it. So Play Store. Let me show you in phone also. So what you have to do, you have to go to Play Store, and in Play Store you need to type Sheets, and as soon as you get the Sheets app, actually I have already downloaded Sheet app. So this kind of icon you would be able to see. Are you able to see this properly? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
visible?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this icon you need to look around and just install this Google Sheet app in your device. And by pressing this open button, you would be able to open the Google Sheet account. Okay. So for mobile phones, you need to download Google Sheet app. And if you are using mobile tab or computer, so what you will do, you have to go to your account first, and then see in the right hand side, you have these 9 dots. Everyone, please pay attention. Sarah, see these 9 dots are Google Apps. So this is a folder where all the Google apps are available. Just click into that. You can access your drive and see Sheets. Why Sheet is
Yes.
showing me in the upside? Because I'm continuously using this apps. Otherwise, what happened? You would be able to find the sheets below. So whatever the recent apps, they are shown in the up portion, and the below portion, all the apps that are found in the below side. So just go to Sheets and open it. So now it is again, I am telling you, it is associated with your account. So whatever is you do over here, that will be automatically saved along with your account. So you can access it anywhere, and you can give permission to everyone.
We have done this right one.
Yes, we have
Yes, you.
started with this right one. Yes, this is what I told you, that we have did something, I think. So we have just started with this Google Sheet, right? So now we are going to make something into it. In upcoming classes, I will show you how we can share the sheet with each other. For right now, I'm not sharing it with you. Let's create some thing into it. Okay. So the very first thing, if I want to create a table, let us suppose I'm creating a table for to understand the number of people lives in Kharghar. Okay, I'm living in Kharghar. So let's go ahead, or Mumbai. Okay, so keeping the data in the population data, it is called as census. So it is census in our side. Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, can I download sheet?
Yes, of course, you should have downloaded it earlier also only. Now what we will do, now see, अभी ये इतने छोटे से स्पेस पे तो मेरा काम होने वाला नहीं है. I need a bigger space. I need a bigger place. So what I will do, with my both the hands, one finger I'll keep in the shift key, left hand side, and another finger I'm going to keep in the arrow. So as soon as I just press the shift key, and I am continuously pressing it, and I am just pressing the right arrow key, so it has started selecting the part. Can you see this? I am pressing the down arrow. So what happened? So much part has been selected. Now what I will do, see over here. देखो यहाँ पर मेरा एरो दिख रहा है आपको. यहाँ पर ये जो एक टैब है, इसको बोलते हैं मर्ज सेल. सो मैं इसको क्लिक करूंगी तो देखो मेरा जो सेल है उसके बीच के लाइंस गायब हो गए. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज मर्जिंग ऑफ द सेल. ओके. सो जितने भी ये छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस है ना, these boxes are called as cells, and I merged a cell because I want to write the heading. So now see, ये वाला साइड टैब देखो, ये वाला जो बटन है, इससे मुझे ये पता चलता है कि मेरा जो भी मैं लिखूंगी वो कहाँ पर लिखा है. तो ये अभी मैं अगर लिखती हूँ तो ये यहाँ से इस लेफ्ट मोस्ट कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट करेगा लिखना. और अगर मैं इसको ड्रॉप डाउन करके सेंटर वाले को चूज करती हूँ तो वट एवर आई विल राइट, दैट विल कम इन द सेंटर ऑफ दिस बॉक्स. Okay, so I'm selecting the center wala and I am clicking into this merged cell over here, and now I'm going to write something. So since we are writing up the data of the population, so data of population in, अभी हम कर देते हैं खाद्य, चलो मुंबई कर रहे थे ना, इसमें आगे भी एक चीज लिख देते हैं, इसको लिख देते हैं हम रैंडम डेटा। ऐसा ही कुछ रैंडम डेटा है पॉपुलेशन का इन मुंबई। ओके, अभी ये हेडिंग है तो ये हेडिंग इतना छोटा तो नहीं होना चाहिए, तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एडिट सम हेडिंग पार्ट। सो व्हाट वी विल डू, अभी मैं इसको वापस से सिलेक्ट करती हूँ और नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द फॉन्ट साइज। देखो अभी ये मैंने इतना बड़ा कर दिया। now I can also increase some more. I can change the font design. I am using a different font so that it looks more beautiful. And let me keep it bold. अरे bold तो बहुत गंदा दिख रहा है. Let's keep it italics so it looks more better. तुम देखो ये ऐसा स्ट्राइक थ्रू भी कर सकते हो। कभी कभी कोई वैल्यू होती है जिसे हमें काट के दिखाना होता है, अभी हमको जरूरत नहीं है तो हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे। नाउ दिस इज वन थिंग, रैंडम डेटा ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन इन मुंबई। अभी मैं इसमें क्या क्या लिखने वाली हूँ, यहाँ पर मैं लिख लेती हूँ नेम, फिर सेकंड हेडिंग हम डाल देते हैं जेंडर, थर्ड हेडिंग हम डाल देते हैं employment status, तो हम क्या करना चाह रहे हैं, पॉपुलेशन के बारे में ये इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर कर रहे हैं कि मेल फीमेल है, एम्प्लॉयड है कि अनएम्प्लॉयड है, ठीक है। और क्या जान सकते हैं हम, अच्छा अभी देखो एक चीज हो गई, the content that I wrote in the cell is got just it took the distance more than the boundaries. So what I will do, I'll increase the size of this cell. So what I did, I'm just clicking into C button. So C button is something as soon as I click into here, so what happened, ये जो पूरा column है, this column has been selected, and when I am just removing the cursor over here, so I can see a double-headed arrow. Now again, what I will do, I will press the left button in the mouse or touchpad and drag this arrow. So now this arrow make this size of this column increased. We can increase the size of the column by selecting and expanding it. So I'm just, so the same thing you can done with the rows also. See, I've selected the row. I'm just putting the double arrow and I am dragging it, and yes, you can see this. Yes, Sarah?
Ma'am, in phone we cannot find all that options.
It's there, बेटा।
Like-
फोन में थोड़ा सा अलग होगा बिकॉज स्क्रीन थोड़ा छोटा होता है ना, तो ऑप्शंस एग्जैक्टली नहीं होंगे बट काम सारे होंगे। तो देखो सेकंड वाले में तुम चूज करो, जैसे ही तुम फिंगर को टच करती हो किसी भी सेल पे, इधर जहां पर नंबर्स है या अल्फाबेट्स है, तो देखो वो पूरा रो सेलेक्ट हो रहा है और डबल हेडेड एरो दिखा रहा है, और तुम फिंगर की ही मदद से उसको बड़ा कर सकती हो। मेरा तो हो रहा है जैसा हमने यहाँ किया है, यहाँ पर हमें बटन प्रेस करके करना पड़ रहा है, वहां तो हम फिंगर की मदद से भी कर पा रहे हैं बिकॉज वो तो टच स्क्रीन है ना। See, you are able to do, just select any cell, any row, and you will find double arrow over there. Touch the double arrow and drag it. It will done. Okay. इसमें नहीं दिख रहा ना? देखो सारा कुछ दिख पा रहा है? हाँ, ये देखो यहाँ डबल एरो दिख रहा है जैसे मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है। तो डबल एरो को जरा सा भी पकड़ के खींचते हो ना तो देखो बड़ा हो गया। दिखा? हो रहा है?
Yes.
Okay, I've tried and it happens. Just try, huh? It will work. So now, see, we have so today we learned about how to merge cells. We learned about how to expand cells in the form of columns or rows. Now let me show you more fields will include. So employment status, and then we will find the age, and then we will take
Ma'am,
mm,
can you please repeat my phone? My phone was having issues again, so I had to join from another device.
no problem. No problem. Mariam, see, what we have did, we have just done with the merging of the cell. We have done with expanding the cells, expanding the length of the column or the width of the row, as width of the column and the length of the row. And we also learned how to just change the font design, font size, and what we learned. This is what we learned right now. So what you want in these things, so I'll repeat it again. See, again, what I am doing, I am selected a cell, and with the help of the shift and arrow key, I am selecting the 4 of the content. And now see a miracle, a very interesting thing. See this text rotation button. So we press text rotation button and I click into an option and see what happened to the cells now. और इसका तो अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है तो यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट रोटेशन नहीं करते हैं हम और इसको सीधा लिख देते हैं. So we can write the data in the cell in this format also. Okay. You can also put the colors in the background with the help of, see this button, fill color. Go to fill color. Go to fill color and you can even choose a color. Yes, Mariam, if you want, I can repeat the topic. I have just told you what topics I have gone through. So just let me know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And now let's color this also with some different color. So this is one more option that we have learned today. Okay, iske alawa we will do it like income. And चलो वैक्सीन के ऊपर ले लेते हैं इसे. तो वैक्सीनेशन स्टेटस.
Ma'am, death.
अरे बाबा, हम ये पूरा डेटा जिंदा आदमी का ले रहे हैं बाबा. Now again, see, vaccination status is little bit a bigger one. So, अच्छा एक और चीज कर सकते हैं. हर समय मुझे ये width बढ़ाने की need नहीं है. Vaccination status will be yes or no. It will be having 2 options only. So देखो ये वाली सेल को मैं क्या करूंगी, इसे हम एक ऑप्शन होता है रैप टेक्स्ट, तो हम उसे रैप टेक्स्ट कर देंगे. देखो ये वाला ऑप्शन, कैन यू सी ओवर हियर टेक्स्ट रैपिंग? Click into it and just see if I do this, so it becomes wrapped. So what happened? एक ही सेल में ये ऊपर नीचे लिख के आ गया. So it is called as wrapping of the text. With the help of that, I don't need to extend the width of the column.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sarah.
how did you write that
C. With employment status, I'll wrap the text. So what we will do, we will come in this toolbar, and here after horizontal alignment, after this vertical alignment, I have just went to a tab which is called as text wrapping. There are three options of clipping, wrapping, and overflow. So we will just see if we do clipping, nothing happens. Okay. We'll go to text wrapping and we choose the second option, and it has already selected in income. And now just देख हुआ। तो हमें जरूरत नहीं है कि हम बहुत बड़ा बड़ा ही सेल बनाएंगे कोई नहीं को लिखने के लिए। ओके, पेज को भी थोड़ा छोटा कर देंगे तो पेज में हमें अच्छी सी चीजें दिखेंगी। सो दिस इज, और दो फील्ड और लिख लेते हैं हम। दो फील्ड और क्या हो सकती हैं? बैंक अकाउंट
and literacy.
हाँ चलो लिटरेसी लिटरेसी spelling. It should be literacy status. ठीक है, एजुकेशन स्टेटस भी बोल सकते थे, बट चलो हम इसको यही रखते हैं।
Yes.
और हम
Ma'am, in phone the bold letter is not coming.
it will just look into it, it will come, definitely it will come। ठीक है, और एक कर लेते हैं।
Yes.
आधार कार्ड देख लो, आधार कार्ड है कि नहीं बच्चे के पास। तो हम बस इतनी फील्ड्स रखते हैं। So today we learned about these many options. Acha, for bold, Sarah, you can see that in the downside you have a toolbar. The toolbar in phone is given in the downside, in the just bottom of the screen. यहाँ पर देखो toolbox है, उसमें bold letter है। देखो यहाँ the bottom part of the phone you can find the toolbar.
Yes, ma'am.
वहीं पे तुम्हें रैप टेक्स्ट और ये सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। फॉन्ट के बारे में जो ए लिखा है ना ऊपर में, उस ए की उसको टच करोगे तो यू विल गेट ऑल द ऑप्शन ऑफ फॉर्मेटिंग द फॉन्ट, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्लस साइन इट इज समथिंग एल्स। अगर मुझे इसमें शीट्स बढ़ानी है, देखो ये तो मेरा एक पॉपुलेशन का हो गया, अभी मैं चाहती हूँ कि इसी से रिलेटेड एक और चीज कुछ बना दूं, तो मैं इसमें एक शीट और ऐड कर दूंगी, तो मेरी नंबर ऑफ शीट्स बढ़ती जाएंगी, तो मेरी एक ही फाइल में मेरे से रिलेटेड सारे डेटा होंगे। व्हाट आई नॉर्मली डू, अभी मैंने एग्जाम दिया, एग्जाम की मेरे को मार्कशीट्स बनानी थी, तो मैंने मार्कशीट का क्या किया, मेरा आईसीटी एग्जाम का हर क्लास का मैंने एक एक शीट बनाया, हर एक शीट में मैंने सबके नंबर लिख लिए। अब वो हमेशा के लिए मेरे पास एक ही फोल्डर में आईसीटी के सारे रिजल्ट्स हैं। I just have to click into the respective sheets. So this is the use of having more sheets in the single file. Okay. Any doubt till now? Are you people able to do this much of work in your sheets?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So I'm allowing you all to show your work and show me one by one. Okay. Now, भी जो लोग खाली बैठे होंगे वो क्या करेंगे, वो सभी इसमें डेटा फिल करना शुरू करें। What you have to do, you start filling up the data, take the random names, whatever name you want to take their random status, whatever you want to do. तुमको उसको पढ़ाना है तो ठीक, नहीं पढ़ाना है तो नहीं, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। If you want to, कोई दोस्त से गुस्सा हो तो उसको illiterate लिख दो, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, it's up to you. So And if you are happy with any of your friend, then make him an MBA or anything you want. So go ahead, start filling up the data, and by then, one by one, show me what you have done. Okay. And if you have any problem, ask me. So shall we start with Amina? Amina, are you going to show me what you had did till now? I'm expecting everyone to do.
Nothing. I did not do anything.
Why? Is it a Babaji ka pravachan that you are listening only?
No, I was just seeing it and then I'm doing it right.
Go ahead, do it in your computer. Who is ready with the work? Who is ready to show me the work? Myra with the new hairstyle? Hmm. You wanted to look more cuter than cuter. There is fire behind you, Pushpa. I'm a fire, it's something like that. So show me your work. It's enough, ना बहुत हो गया है. Background का designing, हमारा खुद का designing, and now computer designing. I want. So who is going to show me? Oh, no one has did. Any problem?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, do it. Any problem till now?
No, ma'am.
No, no, ma'am.
Okay, do it and tell me if you face any problem. Let me also fill the details.
Now I'm not having.
What you not having? What you are not having, beta? Yes, Sarah, tell me. What you don't have? You are mute. Now see here, everyone pay attention. Let me show you one more thing. अभी यहाँ पे मैंने नेम जेंडर ये सब चीजें तो लिख दी हैं, but I forgot to make another column which shows serial number. So what I will do, I'll click into A. On clicking into A, I have selected the column A. Now what I am going to do, I'll press right button of the touchpad or the mouse pointer, and with the help of that, I can see a drop down menu over here. This drop-down menu has an option of inserting a column towards left or right. So I want a column in left, so I'll click this tab and I can see that there is a vacant column in the left hand side. So now here I can write serial number. Right? So see, becomes more better. It's not a barrier for you that as much as I am telling you, only that much you have to do. If you want and if you are able to do something more, play with these tabs, play with these tools and techniques and go ahead with it. Yes, Aman?
How to make this heading glow?
As in it's become blue in color?
Glow, ma'am. To
Blue
glow
color.
and reflection, ma'am. How to get?
Now, this blue color, na? How I get it as in a blue color?
No. How to get reflection? In the topic, like you have written random data of population in Mumbai. So how
तो
can I get?
ये जो मैंने डेटा फॉर्मेट किया है ना, देखो ये यहाँ पर ऊपर, just have a look of my cursor. There is a drop down menu. Just click the drop down. First you have to select the cell which you want to make changes. Then go to this and drop it down. You will find so many fonts available. Any font if you choose, the font will be changed. Okay. Make it bold. Make it italic. And if you click a right button in this, it's not available here in this manner. You can also go to insert button. You can go to Format tab, and in Format tab, you can make the changes. You can take some themes out there. In the tools, you will get so many tools to design your script, but we won't use that also. We will use the Format button. Go to the Format tab. There also you will find all the tools. Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
एक और टूल बताओ. Everyone, it's really very interesting tool. See and pay attention, huh? It's really very important. बहुत tricky है. What you do, देखो 1 लिखा है ना मैंने, 1 2 3 4, 1 पे मैं गई. With the help of shift and drop down arrow key, I have just selected till 4. अभी यहाँ पर आके ये जब प्लस बन जाए ना, तब लेफ्ट बटन के संग इसको ड्रैग कर लेना. तो देखो अपने आप सीरियल नंबर संख्या. What I
Yes,
did?
nice.
Nice. It becomes easy. देखो 1 2 3 4 क्या किया हमने? We just click into the starting number of the serial. With the help of the shift and down arrow key, I've selected this. You have to select these four entries, and then just bring your cursor to the corner. It becomes in the sign of the plus. Click the left button of the mouse pointer or touchpad and drag it downwards. And as many cells you drop it and leave, everything will come in the serial number. The serial number itself comes. Okay, so I don't need to type it again and again. This is a shortcut. Yeah, literacy status की जगह हम education डाल देते हैं. That will be more appropriate. See, अच्छा अभी anyone is facing any problem, please let me know. अभी देखो ये तीनों को मैं चाहती हूँ one more key. This unemployed word, I have to write it again and again for 3 of them, but I wanted to write only once. So what I will do, I'll just select it. So to select it, either I can go to this edit tab and copy it because I've already selected. Otherwise, what I can do, Control C. Okay. और अभी क्या करूंगी, ये फिर से प्लस साइन आया है और इसी को मैं ड्रॉप कर दूंगी यहाँ तक. तो ये देखो अपने मन से ये आ गया, मुझे फिर से कुछ प्रेस करने की नीड नहीं। Let me show you again. I need to rewrite the same content in the upcoming cell. So what I did, I just select the cell. I press Control C button or copy button or copy that tab. And as soon as I get this plus sign, I just drag and leave. So the same value will rewritten. I didn't need to paste it again. Okay. So today what we have did, we have learned how to merge cells, how to write the data in the different font with the different size, how to wrap the text and how to make the text in the alignment, how to write the serial number by itself, and how to write the same content without typing it again and again, and how to create data, how to create the inputs. So do it till now and make your table in such a manner that it is having 10, at least 10 details, 10 persons name. Okay, सबका 10% तो होने ही चाहिए. Okay, any problem with you all? Amina, Aman, Arfan Sheikh, you did not switch on your camera till now, so I don't know what you are
I
doing.
do not know why, but my text is not wrapping.
Who is this?
Amina Khan.
Amina,
I'm
are
clicking
you
it.
in your computer system?
Yeah.
Okay, I have allowed the people to share their screen. You just share it. I'll see to it what happened. Let me stop sharing mine first. Yeah, show me. Amina, it won't do. It won't go. It won't go. You want to wrap the text now, but you have selected the column. So how it will wrap? See, employment status is wrapped only. You want to wrap the employment status. No, it is wrapped. Why you are worried? Wrapped means come in one by one. I don't need to drag the column. इसके एक के नीचे एक आ जाए. See, employment status is there in the wrapped form. क्या हुआ? Tell me. Huh? Why
No, I
you
got
look like
confused.
so
I got
Oh.
confused with the wrap and the line.
हो गया है. Okay, कोई बात नहीं Arfan, no problem with the laptop. I told you that you can download the app and do this all thing that these people are doing. So download the app and start creating. Arfan, it is really very, very important and helpful. It will be helpful for you throughout your life. आगे कुछ भी करोगे ना, ये बहुत हेल्पफुल है. और ये सीखोगे तो it may happen that in upcoming years there will be so many other softwares that will help you out. But go ahead ना, ठीक है, ये आएगा तो इसके ऊपर भी सब चीजें आएंगी. In my days, when I was doing my graduation, C++, learning C++ was the highest thing you can learn in the computer. And Java was just in their initial phases. It was in an introductory phase. And Oracle, some professionals use Oracle. So I know this is Sheets beta, Arfan. I have told in the class also, it's the Sheet app in the Play Store. One more thing, it's a caution for you all that whenever you want to download anything, download from Play Store. Don't trust any other website to download any app. Okay, always, if any website offers you to download some app now, go and type the name of that app in the Play Store and then only download it, because it is verified, it is tested. Rest, if you download from any website, you can fall in some trap. सारा बाहर देखने के लिए ना पूरा दिन है. One important thing. अच्छा, So that time we learned C, C++, and now we are able to learn these Google app and Google thing because we know how to run and how to learn. So obviously their market is growing and blooming so much. So we can learn if we have the basics clear. So always learn your basics very nicely. So I hope in the next class I would find this sheet completed by everyone. सारा का तो पूरा ध्यान बाहर है. आज इसकी मम्मा को फोन करूंगी और बोलूंगी कि खिड़की में ना काले रंग की ड्राइंग शीट चिपका दें. चलो. Anyways, any other problem with anyone? Amina?
No, ma'am.
No.
Aman,
No,
Bilal, why you are keep quiet in so many
ma'am,
days? Initially you
ma'am.
were, yes, Mariam.
I have a question.
Yes.
Instead of like making random data of Mumbai or whatever, can I make a Warrior Cats data?
Which data?
Warrior Cats, it's a book I read.
Yeah, of course. Why not? Definitely. Go ahead with it and design as much tools and techniques you can use. No problem. Most welcome. In fact, I will love it. Anya, any problem? Aman, Bilal, why you kept so much of quietness there? Have you heard whatever I taught you? It's a sheet app, beta. And please follow the video. Today I will download or tomorrow I'll download. Okay. I will upload this video and you can also follow this video to learn whatever the content I have taught in the class. Okay. Anya, Aman, Bilal, I am asking you something. Talk to me. Are you there or not? Drashti, are you working, Bacha? From so many days, I have not seen your face. Myra, you also kept your system, your video off. Are you understand? Did you understood, Veda? And why Musa is there? Musa is the student.
He's a new student.
It's a new student. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Musa, Anya, you are here. Have you heard everything? Understood? Are you ready to create? Because in the next class, I'm going to see everybody's work. Musa, did you understood? No problem, Myra, but you are doing it now. You are following now. Understood? Any problem? From past so many days, I am not poking you all, na? एक को पहले maths class में बहुत पकड़ती थी. One of the parents said that was the best part. You just caught the students so much that students have to do the work because पता नहीं मैडम कब मुझे बोल देगी solve करने के लिए. So I took it as a compliment. Yes, Musa, can you please switch on your camera? Let me see who is you and what are you doing? Musa, please switch on your camera. I think he's not there. Are you there? Anyways, in the next class, just get ready with your work. I'm going to see everybody's work. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye-bye for now. Anything
Bye,
else you
bye,
want to
ma'am.
understand? Anything else you want me to repeat?
No, no.
Chalo.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.